What? What bird is that?
Myna.
Okay.
It has got a yellow beak.
Yellow and little of blue and black. Okay.
Pigeon, Papa Pigeon, Pippa Pigeon, Pigeony,
Okay.
Pigeon,
Okay.
Dove. Where is dove now?
You tell me where dove is, teacher.
Dove.
Okay, it's dove. Okay.
D-O-O-E.
Okay.
That makes dove. Now duck.
Okay.
Duck. Duck. Put the children. Duck.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Duck. That makes duck. You don't know all the words.
No, teacher. I learn it quickly from you. What bird is that? What bird is that, teacher? What bird is that? Teacher, I think you have forgotten it.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
You tell me. Look it.
Forgotten.
Okay, you have forgotten? Okay, look down and look at it. What bird is that?
Hummingbird.
Good job.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
That's right. Very good. What bird is that?
Can
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
yes.
Kite? Okay, find the label, teacher. Please teach me how to find the label. It's a king what? Okay, I don't understand, but when you pick up the label, I will know. If you tell me the name of the bird, maybe it's easy for me to guess. It's a I can't hear. I can't hear.
Yes.
No, I can't guess, teacher. I'm sorry. Okay, you pick up the label. Oh, really? Kingfisher? Okay.
Fish.
Good job.
Owl.
Yes. Where is the label?
Owl. Owl. I will open owl.
Uh-oh. Moksh doesn't find where the owl is.
You know?
I can see it, teacher.
I can.
Good job. It's a what animal it is, Moksh?
Water.
Good job.
carefully turn.
Very nice.
Parrot. Parrot, 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 parrot. Parrot, 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 parrot.
Where's parrot?
Parrot.
Yes.
Parrot. Parrot. Parrot.
Yes.
Parrot. Green and green.
Yes. Yes, that's right. What is that? Goose. Yes. Where is the word? Where is the label?
Where does this go?
Yes. What is that bird?
That was flamingo.
Okay. There is flamingo.
Where's flamingo? Flamingo.
You tell me where it is.
Where's flamingo? Oh.
Okay.
No.
There is.
Oh.
Where is crow? Where is the label crow? It's a read it, Moksh, sweetie. Don't read it, please. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Peahen. Where is it? The label? Peahen. Where is it? I think you're not looking out for it.
Where's peahen?
Shh. Do you want your water bottle?
Yes. Now,
Okay. What is this animal here? What is this bird here?
cock.
It is a...
Yes.
You said something right off. P.
You guess.
Moksh, this is not the guessing game.
Peacock.
Yes.
Cock.
So, yeah. So where is the label?
Peacock.
Macaws. There are two. So there are macaws. Okay. It's a vulture.
Kite.
Yes, it's a kite. I can see it. I can see it.
Where?
Right in front of you, right under your nose.
Where?
Right under your nose. Is that kite? Where is kite?
I don't know.
If Moksh pays attention, Moksh can read everything. What bird is this?
Ostrich. Ostrich?
It's right under your nose. It's right under your nose. Yes, sweetheart. I think you're getting tired, right? Okay, let's just finish this and no more. No more.
Of course more.
Of course more? No, no more. I think you're getting tired.
No. I'm not getting that.
Okay, what bird is this? What is this bird, Moksh? It's a goose? Come on, I know you know it. Come on. Oh, really? I think you have forgotten it. Swan, that's right. Yes. Swan, yes. Yeah.
More fun.
More fun?
Yes.
Okay.
Like these cats are lots of fun.
These cats are a lot of fun? I'm sure you don't know this bird. Yes, I know that you don't know it.
Myna.
It's a myna? What is it?
Yes.
What is it?
Nightingale.
Okay, it is a nightingale.
Nightingale. Kings. No.
It's a?
Woodpecker.
Yes, it's a woodpecker.
Wow. Wood.
What is this?
And head.
Okay. You have to label.
Chicken.
Chicken or hen?
And
Okay.
this is rooster.
Okay. It's a
Chimney. Sparrow.
chimney. Yeah, sparrow, right. In Marathi we call it as sparrow.
Sparrow.
In English we call it as sparrow and Marathi we call it as chimney. Okay? And it's an
Eagle.
very good.
Yes,
All
that's
done.
one, na?
Yes, we